Hey everybody, this is Jason from PC. We're going to be doing a little video on an open box of a SkyTech. This is an Oracle gaming computer. It is a Ryzen 5 2600 6-core, an A320M motherboard, a GeForce GTX 1660 6GB, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 500 gig solid state. I don't normally bought this for a customer specifically, but I don't normally like doing the pre-builts because I'm not happy with the cable management and some of the parts that they use. But we're going to give one a shot today and see what SkyTech's like. I've purchased from CyberPower PC and iBuyPower PC, and those are the ones I really haven't been happy with, so hoping that this one's a little bit better. Alright, so off the bat we got a nice little SkyTech box of accessories. Shoot this in here real quick. There's a power cord and antenna, and just a game mouse. Not too bad. We've got the keyboard. Nice keypad, auto anti-ghosting, and now we get to the good stuff. The bag that it comes in is actually pretty nice. And we've also got the dust filter and a nice little SkyTech gaming informational sheet. Stop. Please view your quick start guide before plugging in your new PC. That's just basically telling you not to plug it into the motherboard's video port. Not really too happy with that because it's leaving sticky residue all over a nice new computer. So there's still some sticky residue there. I didn't peel it off very fast, so I'll have to use some Goo Gone to get that off of. Alright, let's take a look inside. This is a plexiglass front cover, or side cover, not glass. This will be blow-up foam, which I'm going to break the case just getting this stuff out. I can see that I'm already pushing the video card to get this stuff out. Hopefully. Jesus. Okay, so it's not horrible. It's just cable management's alright. So we got a basic stock, well, it's a Cooler Master cooler, but not very much better than stock. One stick of 8 gig RAM. It is a Evo Potenza, and it is a 8 gigabyte 2400 speed. Did have it in the first slot. Usually the slot that's furthest away from the motherboard is the one that goes in, and we'll leave it in there for right now until we get a chance to look at the motherboard and see if that's what they wanted. And the solid state drive, even though they have, I'm sure, an M.2 slot on here somewhere, they went ahead and still used the standard solid state, which I hate. This doesn't cost really that much difference than an M.2 solid state, so I'm not sure why they do that. I still would have put more of the cords in the back. This case is really inexpensive. I think this is a Cooler Master case as well. I forget the model number, but it has two USB 3.0s in the front, power, headphones, mic, reset. This card has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. They did go ahead and put the PCIe Wi-Fi adapter in here. Let's check out the cable management at the back. Those feel like they have maybe a thread and a half on there. That's not very good case design. And cable management's not horrible. I've seen a lot worse for sure. But we're going to put it together and benchmark it and see how it runs. Got 2 fans in the front and 1 in the back, and those should all be RGB. All those are running straight to the motherboard while they're running to a 4-pin Molex. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.